Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through 3 different methods to roll back Ubuntu to a previous version, whether you have upgraded or a new update broke something critical in your system. These solutions range from clean reinstall to smart backup-based rollback. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So in the first method, you can use Timeshift. The best and the cleanest way to roll back Ubuntu is using Timeshift. So it is a snapshot tool that works like System Restore on Windows, but this method only works if you have set up Timeshift and created snapshots before upgrading. So if you have Timeshift already installed in your system, just simply open it by going to the app menu, and if you're unable to see Timeshift over there, alternatively you can also just go to the terminal and type Timeshift Launcher and hit then enter. Then you should be able to see this type of panel. Now simply enter your password and click on Authenticate. Once it opens, you will see the list of snapshots. As you can see, I only have one, but if you have multiple, you can see all of them right over here. To select the snapshot taken before your upgrade, just select it, and once it is highlighted, simply click on the Restore button at the top over here. Then you will be prompted to confirm a few system settings, which you can see right over here. Choose your default settings. Once done, click on Next and follow the on-screen steps to complete the process. Once it's done, your system will automatically reboot, and after that, you'll be back to the previous version exactly as it was. If you don't have Timeshift on your system, skip this method and continue to the next one. In the second method, if you didn't make a backup or use Timeshift, then the safest way to roll back is to do a clean reinstall of your previous version. So here is how to do it. First, download the ISO of your desired version from Ubuntu's official archive. For example, go to your browser and search for Ubuntu old version, then you should see Ubuntu releases. Open the first link. Now wait a few seconds, then choose your desired version, say for example Ubuntu 22.04, which you can see right here. Click on it to download, wait a few seconds, scroll down and choose the ISO file to download. Click on it, wait a few seconds, and the download will automatically start, as you can see. Once the download is complete, the next thing you have to do is create a bootable USB drive. Now for that, you have to just open the terminal and enter the command you can find in the description box below. Paste the command right here. Now, there are a few changes you have to make. The first change is to replace ubuntu.iso with your actual file link and change SDB with your USB drive's location. Once you've done that, your bootable pen drive creation should start after the process is complete. Reboot your PC and boot from your USB stick. Now follow the installation wizard, and during setup, choose Erase Disk and install Ubuntu for a clean system, or something else if you want more control over your partitions. Once installation is complete, you will be on the older version again, but keep in mind this will wipe your system, so make sure to back up your files. Now in method 3, let's say you only want to downgrade a package that broke after the system upgrade instead of rolling back the whole OS. You can also do that. First, identify the exact version you want to roll back to. For example, if you want to downgrade Firefox or a kernel version, open your terminal and enter the first command. You can copy the commands from the description box below. In this example, I'll use Firefox, but you can use any other software you want. Now hit enter. Once you do that, this will show all available versions for your particular software. Then use the next command I show you here. Again, just copy it from the description box. In that command, replace the version number with the one you want, and after entering it, hit enter. If you want to stop it from updating in the future, you can mark the package on hold. To do that, paste this command, then replace Firefox with your software's name. Once you type the command, hit enter, then enter your password. As you can see, Firefox is on hold, and if you ever want to undo this, just paste the command again and change the application name. Then hit enter, and as you can see, it is removed from hold. This method is great if you're troubleshooting only one or two components instead of the whole system. So that's it. Now you have 3 solid methods to roll back. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and take care.